I am literally so excited. I don't even know how to start this video. So I'm just gonna say it. But we're going to Ireland. This is literally so insane to me. We're going to Ireland for a football game. I cheer for Florida State University, and we're playing Georgia Tech this Saturday in Ireland. Even though I know I've already said that, but I'm so excited. This is my 5th year cheering, and we have never gone out of the country for a game or anything like this. So this is just a very different experience than what I've probably ever done. And also I've only been out of the country for like cruises, so I've never really flown out of the country, let alone like Europe. I've never been there, so I'm super stoked about that. So today's Tuesday, we leave on Wednesday, games on Saturday, but tomorrow is like a full travel day. We don't even get to Ireland till Thursday morning, so it's definitely going to be an adventure. Now we are just packing. I think I'm going to make a pack with me TikTok. We're in the Orlando airport and we've had a delay. I haven't vlogged all day, but we woke up super early. We left at 7 a.m. to come here, and it's currently almost 4:30 and we were supposed to leave at 4 o'clock. But there was a delay because it was raining and lightning. We're eating some cinnamon rolls. So.
You have a mismatch.
Yeah, I know.
We're delayed. Hope we make it to Dublin.
Yeah, hopefully we get there. We will.
Dublin, Ireland. Hope we make it.
Flight number 2. Headed to Dublin.
We're in New York right now. This is our dinner. Because our flight got delayed, we didn't have time to eat dinner, but we will see you soon.
6 more hours. For a second, it's like I didn't know we get seats like that.
Lonnie just thought we were first class.
We made it.
We have arrived. I got my passport stamp for the very first time.
So fun. It's so cute. It's like a little green.
I know, it was cute. Technically, it's 4 a.m. back at home, but it's 9 a.m. here. So let's get the day started. But I feel like we need to go shower first.
Yeah, shower, maybe brush my teeth, wash my face, you know.
Yeah, full 20-hour travel day, night.
We made it.
We're here in Ireland.
Chaotic day. It's been like 36 hours, but we made it.
A long 36 hours.
Okay, let's do a fit check.
Has it been official?
I think the shirt is TJ Maxx. These pants are also TJ Maxx. I don't know if you can see them. And then this jacket is Berkeley's. I think this is Altered State. My shoes are Converse. And yeah, I don't really know where all my earrings are. Probably Amazon. Jules, give me a fit check.
Get ready for this.
Okay.
Shein.
Yep.
Random jewelry store.
Okay.
Zara.
Okay.
Plato's Closet.
Shoes, Plato's Closet?
Shoes, Plato's Closet.
Wow, let's see these. That is a good Plato's
Right?
Closet find
$30.
right there.
Plato's Closet.
Period.
Water bottle, lunch.
Yes.
Fake Louis.
A fooey.
A fooey. Oh, look at the gold up here.
It's so cute though.
But it's
I like
it's
it.
tarnishing. Yeah, the gold is turning into silver.
No one's gonna
I
know.
might just have to turn into silver.
Alright, Loie, come over here. The lighting's better.
Okay.
Although you can see our stuff a little bit in the back, but
That's okay. We're a little messy. We're gonna give a room tour in a second. All right, this is Lonnie's top. Where did you get this from? Marsh.
I think TJ Maxx.
Went to TJ Maxx
It was
and
something.
Marshalls this
It
past
was
week.
some-
These are Zara, but they're also Lonnie's, and I think she got them from Plato's Closet. This is Berkeley's, my friends, and it's Levi's. Amazon, Pandora.
Berkeley's got good stuff.
Right?
This is from my mom, and Pandora, and Nike.
Yes, so cute. I forgot to say, give me a hold. I forgot to say, I don't think I fully did mine, but this was some random shop in Alabama that I got. It was really cute. And then
Yeah,
I think
that's
these
so
are Amazon. And I think that's all I got.
I think
I showed everything.
had
else
that person
before.
on TikTok, and everyone was asking me where it was from. So.
Oh, it was like a antique kind of. I don't know.
Lonnie, I literally
A boutique
remember-
store
it was
kind
like,
of in
yeah, like
Alabama.
one of those, like,
Yeah.
boutique
Yeah, I
things.
think I sent it to you. I was
And
like,
I
wait,
was
should I
like,
get it?
oh.
It's this brand. If anyone wants to try
Hey.
to find it,
Luxton.
but
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I have a handicap room, so mine is pretty big. So maybe we should go to Jules' room after to see what it actually
My
looks
room
like.
is so sad. Wait, is that
But
the
we're
van right
staying
there?
in like the
Wait,
university
yes, the van's
Dublin dorms. Oh boy,
man's leaving.
the man's leaving.
The man's leaving.
I'll give a room tour later. We've been looking for these umbrellas. And sorry, I found them.
They exist. I thought I was going crazy and I thought I just saw stuff on TikTok. They exist. They're right there.
Good morning. Today is Friday. We have like so many appearances today. Right now it's 9:10 and we've got to go. First appearance done. Did it at the Irish Immigration Museum. And we just did a bunch of band dances.
I just want to learn on sweat.
Yeah.
We almost wore these top and bottom for the whole thing, and then I did one
Like
band
an hour
dance,
and
and I was
45
like,
minutes for lunch. So.
also I was like out of breath, but I wanted to win. So I was like,
I know, my arms started hurting and I was like, it was tiring. It was long. It was good.
one down, two down.
One down, oh yeah, we have 3 today. And right now we're getting lunch. They're giving us barbecue. We just did the pep rally. It was so much fun.
There was like hundreds of people. That was the biggest one I think I've ever seen. It went back so far.
We're on the stage and then you saw people like down.
That was like, it was just so
Called it Seminole Square now.
Like, that was crazy. I didn't realize how many people came. Yeah, he meant that. Like, we just stood on Seminole ground.
History.
Seminole Square.
Yeah, I'm like, did he mean that? Or
No,
was he
like
just saying
that's why he said we're making. Yeah, that's why they said they're making Seminole like history. They named it.
It was so cool, but it also started raining. And now we have one more appearance at 6:30. It's 4 o'clock, and it's an hour and a half away. I have nowhere to put the camera. This is the sink. So we're just putting it up on here. Today is Saturday and we play Georgia Tech at 5 p.m. our time, or like Ireland time, and then 12 p.m. back at home. I am so incredibly tired. I think we all are. Just from like traveling for over a day and then getting here and then not really being able to sleep. And then yesterday we were going all day long with like appearances and stuff. I think I mentioned this yesterday, but the pep rally / parade thing that we did was so cool. It was literally like Florida State fans just surrounded this like square and just kept going down and was like on the sides, and we were on the stage, so like you got to see the whole thing. Lonnie's been getting ready in my room.
My room wasn't open when we first got them, so I put all my stuff in here. And I just didn't want to change it either.
Last night's appearance was at this like farm, would you say? I don't know, it was really like muddy though when it started raining. It's been like raining on and off here and it's been super gloomy, but it'd be like sunny in the morning and then it gets gloomy and then it rains and it stops and it rains. I gotta fix my hair.
Yeah, I need to have some coffee.
Okay.
You can.
Took over a year off that country slack. Tell a friend to tell a friend. She's back.
First appearance of the day done. We just welcomed and greeted people.
Beautiful.
Now we're walking. I think we're getting lunch. Are you excited for the first game day of the year?
Ma'am.
Are you?
I'm so excited. And we're in Dublin.
Dublin.
Go!
Now we need to go to the store.
I have never seen anything like this. This is so cool. Is this a soccer field?
Probably.
Or rugby? Rugby? I don't know, guys. This is lit.
Can I make a PSA?
Yeah.
Taylor Swift played in this same arena a couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago?
Yes. So basically, I'm Taylor Swift and I'm playing here tonight.
Hey guys. Sad news. Game's over. Sad news. We're not celebrating.
We lost. But God is so good.
We had a trip to Ireland.
It's okay. I'm vlogging. Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
But you know, at the end of the day, we took a free trip to Ireland. No luck of the Irish. All God all day.
We're gonna finish off the weekend like good.
We got a burrito.
We got a burrito in Dublin for dinner. Hi, thank you. We still love the Knowles, and it's gonna be a good year.
We're praying for a better life.
Yeah,
We're loyal.
loyal. Go Florida State always. Still love them.
We had so much fun.
We're back in America, back in the States, but we're actually in Boston. Right now, we're all going through all of our picks from the weekend. This one? Okay, do that one. Yeah. If we saw you in the streets of Ireland, no, we didn't.
But subscribe to Loey like you said you would.
Yeah. You know who you are. Shout out.
Who you are.
Shout out. I got a new subscriber on here.
At least one. Yay!
It is 4 a.m. We just got back to my apartment. We're all back in Tallahassee. Overall, Ireland experience was very fun. We all wish that the game would have turned out differently, but that's all right. I'm just really thankful that I was able to go and just for the opportunity. I'm going to get some sleep. Hopefully, we're not all jet lagged this week. We start school tomorrow. So happy first day of class. Bye.